everyone, welcome back to Big Progress Channel. I'm so happy you're here with us today. And hey, before we start, remember to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Big Progress. Your support helps this channel grow. Thank you so much.
Yes, welcome everyone. I'm really excited today. Hana, what are we going to talk about?
Today, we have a very fun topic. We will talk about everyday English words that people use all the time. Simple words, but very powerful words. These words help you sound more natural, more smooth, and more confident.
Ah, nice. I really need that. Sometimes I speak English, but it sounds a little robot.
Don't worry, Lam. Many learners feel like that. But today's words will help you sound more relaxed and natural, like a real conversation. So, listeners, let me ask you something. Do you want to sound more natural when you speak English? Do you want to understand English in movies, videos, and real conversations?
If your answer is yes, then stay with us because today's words are super important. Hana, how are you today?
I'm good. A little busy, but I feel great. How about you?
I'm doing wonderful. I had some coffee, did some work, and now I'm ready for our podcast.
Nice. Let's get started then. Okay, today we will learn simple, everyday English words that native speakers use all the time. These words look very small, very basic, but they are like keys that open smooth conversations.
And we will go slow, right?
Of course, slow, clear, and easy to understand. This is a podcast for beginners, so don't worry.
Great. Let's go.
So, the first word is actually. It means in fact or in reality. People use this word all the time.
Yes, I hear this word a lot. Actually, I'm busy right now. Things like that.
Exactly. And it sounds very natural. Let's practice with a few simple examples.
Sure.
Example 1. Actually, I don't have time today.
Example 2. Actually, it's sunny, not rainy.
Good. And remember, actually is also great for correcting something politely.
Like someone says, "You like coffee, right?" And I say, "Actually, I prefer tea."
Perfect. That is super natural English. Next word, probably. It means something will likely happen, but not 100% sure.
Like, I will probably finish this later.
Yes, very good. Let's try more examples.
Probably it will rain tomorrow. Not sure, but maybe yes?
That's right. And here's another one. I will probably go to the park this weekend.
This word is great for making your English sound soft and natural, not too strong.
Yes, exactly. Not too strong, not too direct. Now we have two very similar expressions, kind of and sort of.
Ah, yes. I hear people say this a lot in movies.
Yes, these mean a little, a bit, or somewhat.
Like, I'm kinda tired.
Exactly. It means you are not very tired, just a little tired.
Another example. The movie was sort of boring. Not super boring, but a little boring.
Perfect. These words help you soften your sentence. They make you sound more gentle and natural.
Let me try one more. It's kinda cold today. Not freezing, but not warm.
Very good. This is how native speakers speak in real life. Next word, deal with. It means to manage, handle, or take care of a problem or situation.
Like, I have to deal with many emails.
Exactly. Here's another example. I need to deal with this problem now.
It sounds like a work word for office life.
Yes, many people say this in their job. For example, my job is to deal with customer questions.
So simple, but so useful.
And the last work related word is schedule. A schedule is your plan, your list of things to do.
Like a calendar?
Yes, same idea. Appointments, meetings, tasks, everything.
Example. Let me check my schedule.
Perfect. Another example, my schedule is full on Monday.
Oh, I say that a lot. My schedule is always full.
Yes, Lam, you are very busy man.
Not really, but it sounds cool.
Okay. Okay, listeners, let's do a quick mini practice. Lam, help me with this.
Sure.
I will say a sentence. You choose the correct word. First sentence, blank, I'm not hungry.
Actually?
Correct. Number 2, I will blank call you later.
Probably.
Good. Number 3, I'm blank busy today.
Kinda.
Yes. Number 4, I need to blank this problem.
Deal with.
Perfect. And number 5, my blank is full on Monday.
Schedule.
Excellent work. So, we just learned some super common words for work and everyday productivity. These words are small, but they make your English sound more natural.
Yes, and they are easy to use in real life.
And guess what? We still have many more everyday English words to learn.
Yes, in the next part, we will talk about words for daily interactions, home life, using your phone, emotions, and more.
So stay with us because the next section is really fun and super useful.
Let's continue in the next part.
Okay, Lamb, are you ready for section 2?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Great. Now we will make the conversation longer. Not hard, still simple.
Whew,
Good. I'm still a beginner.
Don't worry. Today we learn slowly, step by step.
I like that. Slow learning is good learning.
So, in section 1, we talked about daily conversations.
Yes, easy conversations.
Now, we will make them more natural, more like real life.
Real life English sounds scary.
No, it's not scary. It's fun.
Are you sure?
Yes, because you will talk with me, and I talk slowly, very slowly.
Good. I like slow Hana.
Let's imagine we meet at a cafe.
Ooh, coffee time. I like it already.
Perfect. I say, "Hi, Lamb. How's your day?"
And I say, Hi, Hana. My day is good. I'm a little tired, but I'm okay.
Nice. That is natural.
Not bad, right?
Not bad at all. Let's add more. I say, "What are you doing today?"
And I say, Today I am learning English. With you.
Good answer.
Thank you, teacher.
Then I say, "Wow, great. Why are you learning English?"
And I say, Because I want to speak with people and I want to travel.
Excellent. Very good.
Easy because it's true.
Now, listeners, it's your turn.
Yes, repeat with us.
I will say the sentence slowly. You repeat after me. Ready?
I think they're ready.
My day is good.
Your turn.
I am learning English.
Your turn.
I feel a little tired.
Your turn.
I want to travel.
Your turn.
Now a short dialogue. I say the first line, you say the second line.
Let's go.
Hi, how are you today?
You say, I'm good, thank you.
What are you doing today?
You say, I'm learning English.
Why are you learning English?
You say, Because I want to speak naturally.
Great job, everyone.
Yes, you sound good.
So today we learned daily English for beginners.
Yes, very simple conversations.
We practiced greetings, talking about your day, and simple reasons.
And we practiced real life cafe talk.
That's right.
I think beginners can use these sentences today.
Yes, right after this podcast.
So don't be shy, just try.
And everyone, if you enjoyed learning with us today,
Please support the Big Progress channel.
yes, remember to like this video
Leave a comment too. Say hi or practice your sentences.
and, of course, subscribe to Big Progress for more easy English.
We post simple lessons, friendly lessons, fun lessons.
So, subscribe now and join our learning family.
English gets better step by step.
And we're here to help you every step.
See you next time on Big Progress.